Hello everyone, welcome back to my annual Christmas clean with me for 2023 and the final one ever in this house is Christmas. I thought I'd just get a little video together to give you some motivation if you haven't already done your Christmas clean. But first things first, made myself a lovely hot chocolate I'm putting on the Christmas tune. First things first, I thought I would stick a wash load on. I really wanted to get the whole washing basket done so that it's nice and empty and I haven't got to do any washing during the Christmas period. And then just keeping it very real, I thought I would show you the before of the kitchen and what an absolute mess it is. Honestly, the kitchen is the bane of my life. It is just, I feel like it's so hard to keep on top of and keep clean. So we're starting at the sink area. We are just giving the sink area a nice wipe down. I'm actually just using fairy liquid. I've been noticing, obviously since my asthma's flared up, that a lot of cleaning products really do trigger me. But fairy liquid seems to be one of those things. I mean, it actually isn't fairy liquid, it's another brand, but you could know what I mean. Washing up liquid seems to be one of those things that doesn't trigger me. So yeah, I'm using this a lot more to just clean things with. And then as you can see, I'm just doing the washing up. Roll on having a dishwasher in the new house. I cannot wait.
It actually was on a Christmas day. You came my way that once upon a long ago.
I'm then just popping a little bit of Lenore fabric conditioner in the washing up bowl just to give a nice aroma in the house. You know how it is, guys. I feel like when you do this, it just makes your house smell so nice. And I'm just using it as a floral wipe and literally just like running this all behind the sink. And oh my goodness, I couldn't believe the dirt it picked up. And I'm just taking my Sif stainless steel spray and wiping the tap down with this and just buffing it all because I just love it when the taps look all shiny. Then moving on to these tiles, this like windowsill area, I'm just taking my mold and mildew spray. I'm obviously opening the window because this stuff is quite strong, and then just giving the tiles and like the grout a good scrub because I feel like the white grout had gone a little bit grubby again just from like day-to-day dirt and stuff. So yeah, just brightening this up and giving it a good clean. Just wiping down my hot chocolate station. I actually ended up moving the hot chocolate station over here. It actually looks really nice, but the only reason I never normally put it here is because there is no plug, as you can see, so that's a little bit annoying. But yeah, anyway, it looks cute.
Of love and grace, but when
Then moving on to the hob area, I'm actually taking my stool today and really getting on top of this extractor fan because the dust, oh my goodness, it was disgusting. To give that a good wipe down, and then I tried to clean these kind of like vents, but they were absolutely knackered, so I made sure to order some new ones because yeah, they were just so filthy and I just feel like every now and again you need to replace these. I'm taking my good old Sif cream cleaner and just popping this all on the hob and then just taking a scourer and yeah, just giving this a good scrub.
Go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is...
Moving on to the oven now, this is not something I often do and I'm not actually hosting Christmas, but I just thought I'd give it a very quick clean over. So I'm just taking the Sif cleaner again and popping this on the inside of the door. Again, taking a scourer and just really scrubbing, and honestly it comes up so clean. There's not a lot of scrubbing that you need to do. I also use oven liners, which is honestly a lifesaver because I just took the oven liner out, wiped it and put it back in, so I didn't actually need to even clean the bottom of the oven. Only thing I could have done was got some of those, it's like an oven cleaning kit and you can put your wire racks in them and honestly they come up as new. But yeah, I didn't do that. I just gave them a little once over clean instead. But yeah, anyway, moving on, we're now just cleaning the sides and just wiping over the kettle and toaster.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having having a good, good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter.
Next we move on to a new addition that I recently bought, and it's just this like spinning mop, but I forgot the brand name of it, but it's actually really good. I'm quite impressed, and honestly it is so much better than getting on my hands and knees on the floor. As you guys know, I normally just scrub the floor with like a cloth and just literally do that. But I'm actually really enjoying this mop, so I'm really glad I bought that. It will come in handy so much when we move into the new house. And then as you can see, I'm just wiping down this area, and that is it. A fresh, clean, spotless kitchen. This makes me so happy.
Always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
Okay guys, time to move on to the living room. I've just had a nightmare because I needed another memory card because I ran out of memories. I've just had to look under the sofa first because silly me had just chucked it there. So I feel like what we need to do in here, mirror needs cleaning, floor needs cleaning, hoovering, this obviously needs dusting. Just going to take everything off and clean. Do you know what? I should have got one of those like card holders maybe to put here, because I have so many cards and Joan just starts to look cluttered and I keep knocking them down and stuff. So I might just do something with them, I'm not too sure. And then, yeah, that's about it. I'm going to like wipe over the sofas because I can see a few little marks on. Haven't got time to like bung it all in the wash and everything. But yeah, that's that. I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to put something on the TV. Hopefully this room doesn't take me too long, because we still have the whole of the upstairs. I need to see the banisters as well. This is like another area that you just forget. Oh my god, look at all the marks on me. This is my cleaning jumper, by the way. It's an old white Fox one. Anyway, let's get on a time lapse and get this living room clean. So starting off with giving the sofa a little refresh, I noticed a few marks, so I just took some washing up liquid, obviously a damp cloth, and just wiped over the sofa. One really good thing about this sofa is you can take all of the cushion covers off and put them in the wash, and honestly you have like a brand new sofa. You do need to like get a vac to do the arms obviously, but yeah, it's really good to be fair, so you can keep it nice and clean with it being white. But I couldn't be bothered to do that today. It just felt a little too long, so I just thought I would give it a little freshen up instead. And then also, as you can see, just taking the smaller attachments on my shark hoover, cleaning on top of the sofa and under it.
Children playing in the snow, a merry game they
Finish, I'm just spritzing some of this clean cotton fabric spray from Primark. Not gonna lie, it's not the best for my chest. It does kind of aggravate it a little bit, but oh guys, it just smells so nice, so I did just spray a little bit. Then moving on to the coffee table, just taking the window and glass spray and a window and glass cloth and just wiping this down.
days of love and grace. But when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. When Christmas has gone.
Then moving on to cleaning the mirror, you can probably already tell, but we now have a new mirror in this area. I actually picked this up from IKEA. It was a little upgrade from the one I had previous. I think it was £10-15 more, so it was still super affordable. But honestly, this one just looks so much better. It's better quality as well. So I really recommend if you're looking for a mirror of this size. I think it was like, I'm going to say £75, which I don't think it's bad for that. Anyway, then as you can see, I've just took our advent calendars from the fireplace and just gave that area a nice dust, and then I'm doing the same with the stairs.
Still, when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. When Christmas has gone, when Christmas has gone.
And to finish off, I'm just giving everywhere a good hoover, and I did also just mop the flooring that you can see, which obviously the rug isn't covering.
Time to have the whole family here for a few days of love and grace. But when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. Oh, when Christmas has gone, it'll be another.
Next, we move on to the bathroom. So I actually picked up this new Harpic. I've never had this one, I don't think. It's the Caribbean Paradise. It actually smells so nice. It's really fresh. So I'm just popping this down the toilet, taking my toilet brush and just giving it all a good scrub before then taking my Rhubarb Sephora wipes and just wiping the toilet. Obviously, I'm taking new ones as I go to each different area of the toilet, because obviously we don't want to, wipe the bottom bit and then use that dirty one to do the top two.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you.
Moving on to the sink, I'm just taking my Cif cream cleaner again for this, and just my little Christmas tree mascara, and just scrubbing this all down.
This is how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories? Oh, oh, la 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 la, oh, oh, la 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 la.
Then going back to my trusty old washing up liquid. This one, by the way, is actually from Fabulosa and it smells so good. But yeah, I'm just using this to clean down the windowsill, and then I'm also going to take it to clean down the shower screen. I saw someone recommend this on TikTok and just say how easy it is, and you obviously don't need to use super overpowering chemicals to get a good clean on this. And honestly, it worked an absolute treat. Just smothered it in the washing up liquid in a scourer. I feel like you need that just to get all the soaps come off. Rinse it down, and then you can also just either take a window and glass cloth or just some paper towel just to buff it. And honestly, it looked absolutely spotless, and it was really quick for me to do as well. I'm then just taking the mold and mildew spray and just spritzing that all around the taps, because sometimes that really collects, I'm gonna say mold, I don't know if that's the right word, but it's black stuff behind the taps. It's really disgusting, but yeah, it helps give it a good clean. I've then just tipped a load of Cif in the bath, and again scrubbing down the bath with a scourer, and then I'm just going to rinse it with the shower head. Finishing off, I'm then just cleaning the towel radiator. I just took a Sephora wipe for this and then followed it with some window and glass spray and some kitchen roll just to ensure that it had a nice shine to it. And then I'm just going to mop the floor, and that is the bathroom clean.
It's just gonna be you and me, hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be, making our Christmas memories?
Okay, moving on to the bedroom now. Again, just some realism here. Just thought I'd show you an overview and how much of a state this room had got. I'd done obviously a lot of washing this day, so I'd kind of just chucked it on the bed, not put it away, makeup bag everywhere. Just, yeah, this was the reality, guys. So first things first, tackling the wash pile, folding everything up and popping it into the wardrobes.
Waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me.
it was then time to chuck the cats off the bed so I could actually make it. And yeah, honestly, I just feel like a made bed makes the world of difference. So yeah, that's done. And then moving on to this window ledge, there was so many foundation marks. Just, I don't even know what I do to this window ledge, but yeah, there's a lot of little marks. So got the Sif cream cleaner, and honestly, this stuff is like magic. The window ledge literally looked like it had been freshly painted after. It was so white. And anyway, guys, for some reason my clips do fall short here. I don't know what happened, but I lost the final clip. But rest assured, the room did get tidy. It looked so much better. And that brings us to the end of this Christmas clean with me for 2023. I really hope you've enjoyed it and this has given you some motivation.